Here's how to send crypto on Exodus wallet step by step. First, open the Exodus wallet app on your desktop or mobile device and enter your password or biometrics to unlock your wallet. From your main portfolio, tap or click the crypto you want to send like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Once inside the assets page, tap the send button. In the recipient's address field, paste the wallet address you want to send to. Double check the address, make sure it's for the same network. Example, don't send Ethereum to a BTC address. Enter the amount of crypto you want to send. You can choose to enter the exact coin amount or equivalent in your local currency. Review the network fee displayed. Exodus usually auto-selects a balance, speed, and cost. Tap or click send, then confirm the transaction. Exodus will broadcast the transaction to a blockchain. You can track its progress directly within the wallet. And that's how you send crypto with Exodus wallet. Simple, secure, and beginner friendly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.